Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbud SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro on your iPhone. So, we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, so we need to press and hold that empty space. Then click Edit or Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to locate batteries. And right here we have it. Click on it. And here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then tap Add Widget. And you can check the battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. Now the second option, and I guess better option, is to use SOUNDPEATS application. Open it, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it here, and right here you have information about the left and right earbuds. But there is no information about charging case, only this one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.